How's it going today, buddies? Now I figured I would do a video on why you would carry a Bowie knife. Now again, I do apologize for the lighting in this video. I know it's not going to be the best, but I just wanted to do a video on why you would carry Bowie knives around with you, because a lot of people, you know, they say, oh, I wouldn't carry one around. You really have no purpose to carry a knife this size. They are big knives, but they definitely serve good purposes. One good reason to carry a Bowie knife around with you would be a survival knife. These things are amazing survival knives. Now if you look back to the video that I made about this knife, about a year ago I did some chopping in it, in which I chopped down a fairly, not big, but you know, a decent sized tree branch with it, and you could actually chop down something like a decent size, you know, branches, logs, stuff like that. You could actually do some really good chopping with these. You could kind of, you know, get some good chopping in there with these. So if you need a good bushcraft knife for some survival stuff, you know, as well as you could also kind of just choke up, do a little bit of carving, a little bit of whittling, you know, some finer type work you could do with these knives. I know you probably seems like you can't, but you actually really can. Another great knives are hunting knives. These are amazing hunting knives. I know a lot of guys, they'll actually use smaller hunting knives. They're about half the size of these knives, which you also can, but if you're going out for that, you know, bigger game, or if you're going out for that kind of thicker skinned game, it's always a good idea to have a Bowie knife on you for when you're hunting or around. It's always definitely a good idea. Another one is if you're just going fishing with your buddies and you're going like on a lake where you haven't been before. They're definitely good to have as well. Pretty much any of that survival type situations, any type where you're going in the bush. Would I take this camping? Definitely. I think Bowie knives are great camping knives. I don't think they're good for like if you're going for like a day camping or a night camping, but if you're going for, you know, like a few days or like even like a week plus on a camping adventure, they're definitely really great to have as well. For an everyday carry, I definitely wouldn't carry around a Bowie knife with you, just because it's a little bit ridiculous. It's an everyday situation. I wouldn't really call you to kind of have a knife this heavy or this size. I definitely wouldn't recommend it, but for those survival situations, they're really good to have. They're really, so this thing could pretty much do anything. The best choppers could do anything. The best, you know, small knives, folders, anything that those knives could do in a survival situation, these could do plus more. They're really great knives to have. Like I said, like pretty much any time, any situation you want to carry these ones around. The only time like I said, is an everyday situation. So, you know, survival knives, they're great. Hunting knives, fishing knives. You know, I wouldn't really like skin a fish or anything like that with this. Like, you know, I wouldn't scale a fish or anything like that with a knife like this. But like I said, they're really good to have for any of those outdoor types of situations that you definitely need them for. But yeah, they're really just all around great knives to carry. So those are just kind of like a few reasons why I think you should carry around a Bowie knife, or different scenarios or situations where you should have one of these Bowie knives. I know that's kind of a quick, weird type video, but anyway, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and you know I love you very much. See you in the next video.